Chances are you or someone you know is struggling with alcohol abuse. Alcohol is the natural fermentation of sugars and is the intoxicating component of wine, beer, liquor, and other drinks. More than 450,000 individuals suffer from alcohol addiction or abuse in North Carolina every year. More than 1.3 million individuals report they have binged on alcohol within a 1-month period. When you take into account friends and family members that can be affected by alcoholism, that number grows even larger. Those who are enrolled in a full-time college program are twice as likely to abuse drugs and alcohol than those who don't attend college. Why? Stress, course load, curiosity, peer pressure make up a few reasons. According to the Addiction Center, 4 out of 5 college students drink alcohol. Nearly half of students who drink have reported binge drinking. Excessive drinking is not only a major health concern in the long term, it can also lead to immediate tragedies such as assault, injury, arrest, and even death. If you or someone you know is struggling with alcohol abuse, please reach out to the Alcohol Abuse Hotline at 1-877-429-9691.